Hello, guys. This is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're going to talk about activating your night light for your Android device. So I have here my Google Pixel 2 XL, and as you might see, this is the default setting of all your devices. During the daytime, you have your blue light. So if you can't notice that, it will try to activate night light by going to the settings. So you have your settings here, and night light is right here at the bottom right. So if you press that and turn it on, you will notice that the phone has now a very yellow tint to it, so that blocks all the blue light. So night light will ensure that you get your right sleep at night and you don't stay up late using your smartphone. So it enables your body to know that it's sleeping time and it's night. So that's why it's called a night light. And in Android 10, you can manually turn it on, or you can set times during the day to automatically activate it. So if you want to schedule your night light maybe around dinner time, you can long press the setting, and Android 10 will take you to the settings area. So if you want to schedule it, we can choose to schedule it with a none, turn on at a custom time, or turns on from sunset to sunrise. So this uses your internet and your time zone time. So if you want to turn it on at a custom time, so start time, so when do you want it to activate? So mine is set at 6 p.m. or 1800 hours. So if you want that, you can move it to 7 p.m. or 7:30. Okay, 7:40, 50. Okay, not 7. Then you click OK or tap OK. So since it's not yet 7 p.m., it went back to deactivating the night light. And if you want to end it, maybe when you wake up around 7 a.m. or 7:30, you can also do that. And then okay, you can now exit the settings. However, if you want to activate it earlier than your designated time, you can always go here and manually turn it on like that. So hope this helps. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center and YouTube, and contact us if you want to have your smartphone repaired. So till next time, guys, cheers.